Yes, Ghana for Obin Kanche NPP for say Ghana no enyo mo nkwade o enyo mo nkwade na da bi o mo sori a ana Ghana nkoso enyo mo nkwade Ghana for me say the NPP for no mu no so o mo ansese o mu suba me say opposition no on better 10 billion years yes on better 10 billion years Ghana for mo am hwe the NPP for e dey ye o mo supporters Ghana for ana mo ka say NDC for e ba aban because e bi o mo ye papa ntena because omo ba abese NPP for ene ye ya anytime ma Ghana for no bi ye dey e koto abama wo mu no since 2016 de ti to abama na nado no say na nado beba na ko obeche NDC for tum no be mafia NDC for ana omo ba ye omo anya ma Ghana for bufu ye say ene ye fa 2 minutes NDC for nsem no be mafia ye fa Ghana for but NPP for nkwa ba Ghana for mu dem ye nkokotie mu wie bedi nkomo mu ye nkotie de
masema me kenyina na me nto me kasa nyina ne say yen yet se ne omo ye na nado danko ekufu ado no ya ye krado se galamse ade no ya hwene yi a ebetoto o man na se
okay
nti ye beboa no na ode esiesie ade no na egina
okay
nti so opa ene ekope no chena onfa che opa kese pa nkoma na ekufu ado se nana me serew se me bu enim tia ehwe nyankopo wanim ehwe wanim e ka kire Ghana fo nyina se wo ena wo ye galamse na se wo firi ho galamse bejai no kre enam ne so mo to abeti a wo ma we firi ho but unya bem nso galamse ne da so ye den
tia the party so that na nyo man
oh that's what say o man penny ne party for we firi ho we firi ho no still a galamse ne ye den e koso wada roma me pese ye nyina ye kabom na galamse ntokwa no ye de ko I promise you say na nado dan ko ekufa do minim new patriotic party aminim no yes side it's modern NDC abande year o man Ghana and me no ka say ubisa 25-year-old bia say when e de galamse ba ya obeka che ose kufuado but won bibia makwa free and every young person think say mahama na aba
okay
and no eba be bo o man no e de aso be galamse yes sre no or the side John Toro man na do dan ko kufuado ni MPP abanya we can assure him say we will cooperate with him work with him till we deal with this criminality across where my
but chopa na mbade amonye
o da say chopa na mbade na te say ne some o kan say Ekufuado no nya problem on so be no on so be my
okay Mamenda was said na time na omo can declare state of emergency no were you in support
baby you support it
make a wo
me man support
Ghana for one who the NPP for ne ya ebe mo better opposition ya che because me say Ghana for no o man to aba ama NDC for say NDC for mra no mo me yo man ni yo omo to aba ba say omo mra no be mafia Ghana for o me mafia NPP for asebe o me che NPP for ntum because NPP for nya opportunity a o man ti ba mafia wo mu ana enne o me tumi na be che NDC for so be ye enti aya mo hwe ese ye che NPP for Ghana for nya ebose aya na mo hwe aya mo hwe na sabi NPP for nko papa ye be ko heaven omo nko na Ghana omo dwene Ghana for ho ana anytime bia na Ghana enti ana Ghana me kama chama NPP for mpani for bi mu ye mu be ye ti social media ye adwuma no enye se bia mo ba se mo be Ghana ye enti na e bompa because mo ba mo di free education kwa ba ye no mo be ye sa na Ghana for so mu sen se Ghana for no mo pa mo ntas na mo nwen se na Ekufuado enema obe nya Ghana for so mu sen Ghana for so mu sen enye dondro man ma ama na mo akofo na ba se o meche mo na no mma afia mo na nso sa nyema nya MPP for ntas hu se sabi dia stage ya duru so na you for ya duru so enye development ne ye pe some be ma afia mo ho ane ye pe some be so end this one no ma afia end this for na me so ya no pe me wo Sam George etie musu fra Ghana for ana mo hwe de ye chama wontumi no do mo ye chama wontumi na chama wontumi tie mo na Ghana for mo bi ani age ana mo hu sa ade no ye mo ye ka asem pa na akere mo no mo pa mo mfa se de stage na duru no enye development ne ye pe no okrum ho se e beda be sori ye be hu se your opponent esu etiantem mesim de mo pa mo fa sa de we nhye mu se mo pa mo be mafia NDC for mo pa mo be che NDC for mo ma disika atum mo de mo be hu de wi ankofo kwa akoto abama mo bum stage ye duru no ye hu obi mo bo se NPP for say su ban no mo anya idea me kama kire mo be bre because youth no do ye ba no ye pese hu se mafia politicians muda ya mo ya other countries ya mo mafia politicians no aya mo hwe ade the way youth na ni sije se me boa na mo de mo kwada mo di development ana ya mo dan mo di development ba na do di development ba e de na Ghana for the year mo Ghana for appreciate ye and na say don't man ma ba won ye hwe so Ghana for budget so no mo yi ba ya mo kofa ambulance bebre ko ba e ko si sai mo kofa ambulance si hospital bebre wo krom hanom MPP for ko si mu sai e ko si mu sai wo agenda 111 mo kofa ba e si mu sai drones am ko fa ba e si mu sai Ghana card am ko fa e si mu sai eti me ka ma kire mo MPP for enye development ne pretty say yes mo be ba abem no be hu say politicians o mo diska o mu so usu mo mafia mo no mo family for no eno na Ghana for hwe say o eno na Ghana for hwe say eti say mo de mo se mo nka no kra ne nche mo asa mo se Ghana ntia mo ta nya za Ghana nti na mo ye hwe ade ni ye hwe ade wo krom anom MPP for ma bru mo amuma ni amrai ye mpeni for de o be Ghana nti na ye da bia na ye bro eti wo ye MPP ni be bru ase mo ye we a mo me ye wo MP ye mpeni for hu ye stand so mo ba ho be mafia NDC fara mafia mu ye so hu de be because ye mu bi no enye post ye be hwehwe de ye hwehwe nyina se meda be sori anopa ni me hu se NDC fo susu meda be sori anopa na Sam George esu ne yire ana mo ye ma de anyam ya ho omo ye we no ye friends say Sam George kwatena betting committee anim no wo hu de akeka no ho wo hu de akeka no ho yes wo hu de akeka no ho Sani man omo ya anyam ya NDC for winning power mo hu eniem bi omo ya anyam ya on mo de mo kwatena mo fa mo supporters adwini agro na mo de mo nyama adwin say ya na Ghana nti me say Ghana for benya rehye mu akoto aba ama mo ni mi say mo so mo be mafia MPP for na eno na dey na na Dubai because na do ni ye nyina no ye nim say oba be mafia NDC for ana oba wa anye ana say oba ye Ghana ye ana Ghana for so ye mpesa ade no etimi dey MPP for mo social media sama no ya adwen mo dey mesam fam sanye dey mark man so yes mo fam mark man so manya me ya mo wi bia prasa no no say me so dey afolo me na ma sa atrase say MPP for any amre say the NDC for ayo mo so be ye bia tuo mu kade a me say any opposition o mbetra ho ache papa yes Ghana for obi nkan che papa ya woda so say enwe ekra ehurita na mfui yes enwe ekra ehurita na mfui Ghana for me papa ya woda so yi former education minister minim say yaw ana man de kika answer me because ade beti ama ye wura napo ye choosing as running mate no na papa yi ene nam fiem pepa chaw ene nam eman mu bi mu fie pepa chaw pa chaw say ye ntwe na pomfro ne yemfo no nhye ho etinu enye me nwanwa say enne wo ye say eye yaw ana man de kika we ye nkwate a Dr. Chelpa no pae no wonyi ntum na wonyi ntum obi fa ho bɛn wonyi ntum a wo papa yi obi fa ho bɛn wo minim NPP ye fe say constituency chairman because of you wanto aba because wo ne benya ye friend say 6 months eba ho be ka say won choose holy child na emom ne ba no onim so be bo no ho modern sa na ne ba ne ba wo bo ho modern 6 months no wo sraw bua no mo nya dai wonya ayi holy child wo ka kire ne say wo mmoa no na enye NPP fonti na oba na oba for Ghana fonti ema papa yi ho kire no papa yi be nya say school no ema wo be enjoy ana papa ne bufu ka say wo no the NPP for the aye no yi wono na kwaye campaign e de sika ewura NPP mu ama NPP for aba power na wo anya post wo anya hwe na ne ba school school placement keke yema ne ba wo so wonya ma no ene won to aba won na busuafo nyina to aba 2024 ampanyampan papa na anya dai busuafo an to aba ene ma ye lusu ye na ne doctor be patche ama momo bone mo ne ma bone amoye ya wo se enya enough na wo no wo ba wo be patche wo be patche satima ne ye campaign na ye penkofo mumu bi ye pe mo makwa kasa afa education no wo be kasa ye enu obi na sam fifre ana wo be enjoy wo ba de na ye ma nipa no ne doctor pagana fo nyina chewa wo jan masa kwano tum ne ye mu bi no ebufo di ahye ma no wo be am ye sane ye bufu agu so mo ba ye na wo tete wa burachi na wo ba ye na ye be fa minister mo ma wo na obi aye adwuma anajo awia ensu oto na mo ye adwuma no oba school placement kwa o ma ni bi ne obi ehu wo de Ghana for me ne o hands ma me ka kire no ne papa etimesraw se woni me ya adwua me se fansa ye dey back ma so yes fansa back ma so manya me ya wo wi bia prasa no don say me so dey aforo me na wasa address ase see a doctor apa ache we dey 2028 still possible. Yes, it's possible. Ghana for na mo sha my.
Na Akufo-Addo dear. Who na me blame you for all these things? President Akufo-Addo. Me say I blame you. Again, na me blame you. Yes, I'm for bachelor to us. Yet to come her 2008. Ora Kandapon Yami Amofa. On an national security minister. Under President Akufo. Exactly. Amia Tuaba. Party in government too. Yes, security breaking. I'm a whole sitting president went to me and rat time for the last election. 2008 year to about 3 times. Time was the deciding factor. NDC violence in President Akufo went to me and rat time. Now see about 2024. Now President Akufo also Obama a yemi of a kanda pano and asat now. I mean other co-election. What were you thinking? Obi ultimately my security breaking in 2008. No one side the security as I said 2024. See your fan call a year battle. Again, na wodwene. Obi muntien ye. Very weak leadership. Kura police, kura military. President Akufo ntimi anwura time because of election violence of the NDC. Precisely. Danny? Chenye. Antia no more political violence started in Ra. Me say time was so much in such a way that you two are very time. And this was so violent that President Akufo, whole sitting president, went to be on time. After near Gusu people for near Gusu people. No, Omuji to me. Omuji to me 2009. 2009, Baba no more boys, no more boy Raha, Obaka no Kofi ayi Kwabenaji. I said there are many ways to kill a cat. Oh, and also there you 2016. The Mumu said Kandaha boys and one wine again. It was a imitation of what happened in 2009. Precisely. Remind the people. It was because for so long the NPP had been abused politically, and this is very abusive. Nanya American, your mama na ankasa kai. You called Chireponi by election in 2012. Danny, young Connie already see in Chireponi in 2012. You are a better talent by election. No more kwakoshe. I'm giving you guys records. Talent by election. And this if we real more to the point say, I've never been on board. Yeah, Munchi, Danny.
Convention has raised serious issues with.
Danny, hold on. Where a talent by election. And then this is she more every more. This is a very violent party. Exactly. So now Akwatia there. MPP, Mr. General Secretary, just to call you a man and me. I will support you any day, anytime, against anyone. But what's no me Boya Kotia? Or be a war from national headquarters, Mr. The last person. You go. Someone to me and prepare crowds. And yeah, a crowd near cry, and near Yatu, be a no moment, someone to me and prepare. No moment, NDC wants to succumb us. If Sadia or more person, we say total succumbent. Tienye, MPP for some minimum. At the other moment, Kwamani see and run. It's a very defeatist mindset. So, see, I just say, or more planets on Babuye. No more buying a branch and big dinner 1 year, any idea. Hey, go back one more conswa. Man was a million about Kubi, Naneska, Walker said, and Branche, a draw with the anomaly, Obianya Bemanchobia. Then what did you
Father Christmas of West Africa, and you accepted them. If USA cannot deal with them, what shows that Ghana can deal with them? If United States of America, that has a lot of shelter in US for people, United States that can feed people, if they cannot deal with these people, what shows that Ghana can do it? We have our people in Binyiri, 13,000 Ghanaians, they are there. Without food, without water, without lights, no proper accommodation. The women, we are told, we are being exploited by the Ivorian men. And here we are. Instead of us to mind our business as a people, we are there signing a memorandum of understanding with the United States of America. Is it because they have sanctioned us? So you want to be in their good books or what? What exactly is informing this particular decision? Tell us. And we know, Okujeto Ablakwa cannot even express himself. He appeared on Bernard Avle's show and it was an embarrassment. Okujeto Ablakwa, who is very articulate with the language, who is very, very articulate with English, was now saying, well, we are relying on the advice of the Learned Attorney General. Forgetting Article 75. What is Article 75 telling you? As a member of parliament, you would have quoted it. You would have defended it. I know you, Okujeto. You'd have done that on TV. You would have proved beyond reasonable doubt why Article 75 should not be ignored. In fact, you would have, you have petitioned the Supreme Court to intervene. Okujeto would have done it. And here you are. You look so embarrassing on TV, trying to defend this so-called MOU arrangement with USA. Here we are. Guys, if USA cannot deal with them, what shows Ghana can? And we sit here as a people, we were so ignorant about it. We did not know such an arrangement was going to happen. And the Constitution clearly tells you, report to Ghana's parliament. Lay it before Ghana's parliament. Let them deliberate on it because they are the representatives of the people. Let them deliberate on it, and ratification should go on before you go ahead with this deal. But you sneak in these people without the knowledge of Ghana's parliament. And here we are. You say, oh, the Attorney General advised us. So is the advice from Lenin Attorney General better than what the Constitution is saying? Is it better than the ruling from the Supreme Court? Guys, in the Guantanamo case, where two terrorists were brought in this country under the watch of President Mahama, these people were brought in without the knowledge of Ghanaians. And in the build-up to election 2016, this particular so-called arrangement with the Guantanamo people was exposed. And there was a serious backlash on it. I was thinking that this is a legacy term for President Mahama. So you will not repeat mistakes you did earlier. You said you have learned from your mistake. But certainly, this particular West African deal exposed that you have not learned anything. How can you repeat a same mistake that you were criticized for in 2016? And this time around, you have moved from 2 people to 14. And you tell me that you have learned from your mistake? How convinced would I be when you repeat such a similar mistake? Did the West African nationals tell you they wanted to come here? Did they tell you they wanted to be in Ghana? If 11 Nigerians were part of the people, why is Tinubu not accepting them? Why is Tinubu not accepting them? Are you well resourced than Nigeria? Do you have more oil than Nigeria? So if 11 people are from Nigeria, why can't United States of America engage with their government so that he takes them there? Did we hear any Ghanaian was part of the list? Why can't we mind our business as a people? Then yet again, you have your people in Binyiri who cannot sleep in their household. They are under the mercy of the Ivorian government. And you can't sit here to tell me that, oh, we are bringing in 40 more. So in all that is happening, you do not care. You want to bring 40 more. For what? What do you intend to achieve with that? Tell me, what exactly is the United States of America promising Ghana? Tell us. You need to disclose it. Transparency is so key in this whole conversation. Guys, nobody is saying that the government cannot decide on behalf of Ghanaians. No, we are not saying it. But in some of these cases, you need to be very transparent. That is why we have representatives in Ghana's parliament. Go and tell them whatever it is. What do the people of Ghana stand in to gain in this arrangement? What do we stand to gain? Are they going to scrap all the sanctions? Are they going to take us out of the punishment? Like, what exactly are we gaining from this whole arrangement? Tell us. And someone could tell Black is telling us, oh, there's an MOU agreement, and that MOU was like what we took an advice from the Lenin Attorney General, and for that reason, we don't have anything to worry about. Please, Article 75 is telling you that the representatives of the people are in Ghana's parliament. Lay whatever treaty, convention, or arrangement you have with any other country before the representatives of the people, which is Ghana's parliament, for ratification, before you implement anything like that. But here we are. Nobody seems to be worried. And the president is repeating the same mistake he did in 2016. You did not disclose to us that you were bringing people from Guantanamo Bay.